Come on, dude. Let's show these people how to live. Just a spadat. Now, come on, man. Be careful. Give me your hand. I want you falling. It's our backyard. We be camping out here. Y'all think it's a game. If ever y'all want to go camping, hit us up. This is going on TikTok. The whole 3-minute video and on YouTube. Keep going, dude. Up. Go up. Now, we're not going to show you where the house is, but this is the yard. I be out here landscaping my shit. God damn it, someone snuck on the property. Alright, now to go up some more. Those are my neighbors. Ugh. Come on, dude. Ugh. Take your time, don't fall. Alright, you got it, big man. Keep going, we almost there. Fuck going to the hot ass beach and all that. I could tan right here. No people, no hot ass sand. I go back to the house and take a cold shower. Smoke. Eat. Don't gotta worry about nothing. Call an Uber or Uber Eats or a Lyft or a taxi. Oh man, fuck a beach. Ooh, mushrooms. Mushrooms. I don't want those. But there's mad mushrooms out here too for you mushroom heads. Slow down, dude, before the wolf gets you. You know there's a wolf out here, right? Slow down, dude. I'm dead ass. There's a wolf out here, man. Chill out. Before the wolf gets you for real. You're not listening. Slow down before the wolf gets you. You're not listening. Why are you still moving? I'm about to sign off and take him in the curb.